Gemini 3 is the latest AI model from Google, and right now this is the most powerful AI model out there. Using this, you can build apps, games, websites, and much more. It can do almost anything for you digitally. It's actually mind-boggling. So in this video, I'm gonna try building something, maybe a game, app, or even a website. If you go to the Gemini website or app, here you can actually choose the Gemini 3 model. Now let's create one of my favorite retro game from 90s, the Contra Force. Not the exact game, the clone of it. For that, this is going to be our prompt. Create a retro run and gun platformer inspired by Contra Force, using only publicly available or free to use assets. The game should feature side scrolling action, pixel art, blah, blah, blah. You got the idea. If you want something to work in game or app, you have to specify that in prompt. Otherwise, it might work or might not. Okay, so this is the prompt. I'm gonna click on tools and gonna select the canvas. This is very important when you're building something, app, game, website, or something like that. In Canvas, we can preview whatever we are building. Okay, so it's pretty cool. So let's actually hit submit. Now, this is a thinking model, so it's gonna think and start building. So after it's done thinking, it will give you the results. Okay, I have created a complete single file retro run and gun game titled Force Commando. Yeah, that's a cool name. Okay, we already have the preview, so we can also see the code for the game. It automatically writes every single code for you. Okay, after it's done creating the code, it will automatically launch the preview. So we can also go manually there, back and forth in between code and preview. If you know the code you want to fix or add something, good. Yeah, you can go here and improve the game. Okay, since I have zero knowledge about the code, not gonna say zero, but I can't code games or apps. Basically, this thing is like way better than me already. Forced Commando, that's the title of our game, and we can use arrows to move, Z to jump, and X to fire. Okay, let's actually click on start mission to see if it actually works. So let's, oh no, can I shoot? Oh, I can shoot. No, it's very hard. I think the controls, I'm not used to using the controls. Oh no, how do I supposed to shoot that? Oh, no, can I? Oh, wait. Yeah, it works. Okay, you can see it works. There is a level, but right now the problem is it's not shooting top. I can jump. Yeah, nice. There are no enemies. It's a, oh no, clone of Contra. If you have ever played Contra, oh no, I think I can kill that guy from here. Wait, why am I playing so noob? A Z. Okay, wait. X is for shooting. Oh no, I'm dead. So you got the idea. We have a fully functional game here that works. In one of my testing demo, I was actually able to shoot wherever I want. Okay, using the arrow keys and the X. It's amazing. I just can't imagine building a game by myself. So Gemini just does it. It's pretty insane. Now, let's try building an app. This time, let's create a Photoshop-like image editing app. Photoshop is really popular software. So what if we could use something similar using this? So again, I'm gonna go and select the canvas so we can preview it and actually use it. So let's go and submit. The prompt is create a Photoshop-like image editing application using only publicly available or free to use UI assets and open source libraries. The app should support essential features such as layer, brush, and all that. So if you want something to actually work, you have to specify here. And there is much more Gemini 3 can do. Okay, it can understand complex images, like if you have any puzzle or anything like that, it can actually see the image and tell you about the image, even if it's like very complex puzzle or something. Here is our Photoshop-like clone. Okay, so this is our canvas. Can we zoom in? How do you zoom in? Oh, plus, no. I don't know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can zoom in, but I don't see the controls to zoom in. Oh, we have selected the brush. We have layers. Okay, let's actually draw something here. Oh, it's not working. I think I'm gonna run this prompt again. Okay, let's try doing that. So here is another app, and hopefully this time this works. Oh yeah, the same prompt, same everything. Sometime, you know, nothing is perfect. Maybe in some cases other AIs are good, and in some cases this one is better. So overall, right now, this is the most powerful AI model. Okay, so that's that. We can increase the size of the brush. Yeah, look at that, it works. The rectangle, yeah, it works this time. Look at that. Okay, we have text. Yep, it also works. Hello, wow, it's fully functional image editor. Okay, so we can also export the image. Look at that. Okay, if we want to add more tools, yeah, we can actually specify that in prompt, and it will hopefully add them and they will work. Okay, layer also works. I can right click. No, I can't right click. Okay, there is no properties for layer. There is even a filter and adjustment thingy that is not working for some reason. Maybe I need to upload an image. Let's do that. Oh, now it works. Let's make it blur. Look at that. The blur effect works. Let's decrease the contrast. Contrast works. Brightness works. Imagine you build this from scratch and by yourself. And there is even option for front and back. I'm gonna put it in back. Yeah, look at that. It works. Okay. Export. You already saw that. Okay. So yeah, let's actually build a fireworks generator. Let's see what it gives me. I actually use Blogspot. Can I show you guys Google's platform? Okay, this is my website. Can I build a fully functional theme for blog post? That would be amazing. I actually paid for this theme that I'm using. Okay, now I think I can just use AI and make unique website for me. Let's see. Okay, after this, we're gonna create a blog post theme. Okay, just simple one. Okay, but again, as I said, if you want something, you have to specify. Oh, it's a firework generator. Oh, okay, I got it. And it's an app actually. Settings, gravity. I'm gonna make it slow. I think it's gonna go fast. Yeah. Now let's actually create a blog post theme. Now the prompt is create a modern, responsive, and lightweight blogger theme using clean HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. The theme should load fast, follow SEO best practices, and use only publicly available or free to use assets. Okay, so blah blah blah. There are many other things that I have specified here. Okay, so let's actually create the blogger theme. Ooh, look at that. I like this. There is even dark theme. Look at that. Same as my website. And I like this. Okay, we can specify what types of layout we want. Okay, right now, I'm not gonna lie, I have been using ChatGPT more than Gemini for some specific things. But now, after testing the Gemini 3, I feel like, yeah, I'm gonna be using more Gemini 3 than ChatGPT. It's actually a lot better than ChatGPT, in my opinion. For some cases, yeah, I'm still gonna be using ChatGPT, but I think most of the time, I'm gonna be on Gemini. Yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.